welcome to my channel. This is Ogonwadi saying thank you for joining me today. So the last time I made a facial mask with baking soda and coconut oil, so I got a couple of requests for some people that say their face is very dry and they don't really like to use coconut oil. So, but anyway, there is an alternative in case you're part of those people. This I'm going to show you. I was already doing some so I could also use on myself. Like, let me make a video so people can know they have alternative to the one I previously made. So for this, you're going to be using raw honey. Raw honey. It has to say raw honey. And you're going to be needing a sour cream and a plate where you're going to pour it. And you're going to be needing half of a ripe banana, just half of it, because we're going to be using it to mix everything together. And of course, your blender. Guys, when you do this and you are left with some, you could go ahead and put it in the fridge. It could last up to 3 to 5 days, and then you can make another one to replace those ones. But anyway, when you do this, most times you end up using it because you're going to use all over your face and all around your neck. So let's get going and let's do this. So you can see I already started on some. I try to label them so I know which is which. I put my half ripe banana in my blender and the sour cream. Any brand is okay. A tablespoon of sour cream. And a tablespoon of honey. Raw honey, guys. Can be bought in the health food store. Okay, so now we blend. I have to plug this in. And that's it. You pour in the container. Can you see it, guys? Banana activates moisture in your face. It has its own water too. So anyway, I do not have a cotton pad. I'm going to be folding this paper towel. That's what I'm going to be using. And all you do is you dab on your face, all over your face. Towards your neck too, because this is part of our face. Dab generously all over. Smells so good. When you're done with this, you're going to have to leave it for like 10 minutes so it could, do its work and it make our skin feel soft and moistured. Making do of what I have. If you don't have cotton pad, cotton pad, just go ahead with this. It's all about do it your way. So this is fine. I'm going to allow this to sit for like 10 minutes and then I'm going to wash my face with warm water. Guys, this should last you like 3 to 5 days. You have to store it in the fridge and after that you could toss it out and, make another one again. You could do this like 3 to 4 times a week for best results. Believe me, You're surely going to see results when you do this. Guys, it's past 10 minutes. I took a shower and my face feels soft and well moisturized. You know, I'm good to go right now. So, guys, give this a try if you're a lady or guy going, having hard time with your skin, like you're having dry skin all the time or mostly in your face. This is your natural solution. Honey, sour cream, half of a ripe banana. Store it in the container. This is what I have left. I'm going to put it in the fridge and use it again in the next 3 days. Thank you for joining me. Guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Leave me a comment, watch my other videos, click on the like button, tap on that notification bell to get notified anytime I upload recipe or DIYs. Let's look young and beauty this 2020, guys. Thank you so much. It's bye from Ogonwadi. Bye bye.